Hi everyone, this is Audrey from Guild Technologies. Today I would like to show you how you can use Microsoft Forms, Power Automate as well as Power BI to gather customer satisfaction scores as well as have it displayed on a dashboard for your management team and your operations team to have a timely review of the of your data collected. Over here in Microsoft Forms, I've created a satisfaction score for a language school. So that's why you can see that the first question is on what was your course name, right? So it's really easy to share this feedback form with your students. You can share it via a QR code. You can have it and you can have the URL embedded on your website or have it printed on the teaching material or even flash it on screen at the end of the course. So your students can fill out this feedback form on the computer, or they can do it directly from their mobile phones. Okay, so when they fill up their answers, and submit the entry, Power Automate is going to get triggered each time a new response is submitted. It will get the response details submitted by the student, and it will push this data to a data set that will be used by Power BI to then display the results to your management team as well as your operations team. That looks like that. So this is a Power BI report that I've built for this purpose of the demo. This Power BI dashboard is completely customizable to what you want to see. The color scheme is also fully customizable. So let's take a look at an example right now. I'm going to quickly fill up a form, assuming that I've just completed an English language, and my teacher was Miss Rosie. I am a female. I think I quite enjoyed the course. I found the materials very relevant. Agree. Found the materials very useful. Agree. I found the materials provided was just right. I think I agree with that. And the level of difficulty was just right. I think the level of difficulty was slightly difficult for me. And I don't have anything else to add for this question. How would you rate the delivery of this course? I did enjoy the class quite a lot. The teacher was appropriately skilled, agree. An appropriate amount of break time was given. I think I would have liked more break time. And the speed of class was just right, agree. And the length of class was also just right, agree. However, I think more discussion and participation time was needed, so I'm going to have to disagree on this one. The class size was not too big. I think it's just right, so I'm going to agree. Again, I don't have anything else to add for question 8, and I would maybe put a 6 to recommending this course to my friends. I'm going to go ahead to submit my entry. Okay, and once I have submitted my entry, let's go check the Power Automate if this flow has been run. Okay, you can see that there's one that just ran 14 seconds ago. It's succeeded the run. That's the one that I've just submitted with my most recent submission of the entry. Good. So when I go to my Power BI and I click on the refresh, I can see that one new response has been received. That's the one that I've just submitted. Let's drill down into the English language course and run by Miss Rosie. So when we see the stats here, we can see that this class is made up of females, right? We have got 3 responses received and all 3 of them are females. And we have quite a mix of satisfaction level in this class, right? We have got 1 disagree, 1 strongly disagree, and 1 strongly agree. So it's quite a mixed feeling for this class. We don't know what's going on. So if I'm the operations manager, I think I ought to check it out with the teacher on why are some students really disagreeing, really not enjoying the class. Okay, again, we've got a mixture of satisfaction level here on the material. We do have to quickly check on it and correct it moving forward. Okay, we have one low score of a likelihood of referral. So if I were to look at the general census of this class, I would say that it isn't very good. There's a lot of room for improvement. And as an operations manager, I probably need to get to the root cause on what's happening with this class. Now let's take a look at the stats for the French language taught by Miss Rosie. All right, again, this class is made up of females, and the class size is really small, or maybe only 2 people have submitted their feedback so far. And this class has very positive feedback. Look, both students said that they agreed, and they strongly agreed to enjoying the class. They also agreed that the material is relevant, and the likelihood of referral of referring the course to the friends and family is quite high, 7 and 8. So I would say generally this course, French language course run by Miss Rosie, is quite a good one. It has garnered quite positive results. All right, so this is an example of how we can use Microsoft Forms, Power Automate, as well as Power BI to get you really timely feedback on how your customers feel. What is the satisfaction level of your customers, right? Thank you.